How to hide desktop icons in Windows 11. So I've made this video before for Windows 10. I've since upgraded to Windows 11, and it's pretty much the exact same thing. All you're going to want to do is have your cursor on your desktop background. Go ahead and give it a right click. Then from here, you'll see the drop-down menu open up. Go ahead and underneath the View tab, just hold your cursor over it, and a drop-down list of icons should appear. We have large icons, medium icons, small icons, so on and so forth. If we go all the way down to the bottom, there's a little button that says Show Desktop Icons. If we go ahead and click on that, all your desktop icons shall disappear. If we want to re-enable and show them again, go ahead and just right-click anywhere on your desktop again. Go down to View, and then all the way down to Show Desktop Icons, and they'll reappear. And that is how you hide your desktop icons in Windows 11.